Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2019 Chevrolet Corvette GrandSport Convertible 1LT in Arctic White on black interior. So we'll just start over at the trunk area. So we've got the trunk up here. So nice sized trunk still for a convertible. We've got the 12-volt socket there. We've got a light here in the trunk. The divider here, so this piece you just simply pull, and same thing on the other side. That'll fold down, giving you more room when the convertible top is in the up position. Down in the corner here we have storage, so that's great. So I'll go ahead, we'll close the trunk. So you just simply press and it pulls itself shut. It's got the nice stripes that go up and over. So that's great. And we've got the nice Z51 style or stage 1 rear wing. It's got the carbon flash metallic or black badge package. We've got the LED tail lights with the carbon flash metallic surrounds and the carbon flash metallic lower half of the bumper. We've got the NPP performance exhaust, so the two outer ports have dampers on them that electronically open or close to make the exhaust louder or quieter. So we'll just shift around this side here. Here's your rear wheel. So it's got nice high gloss black painted wheels. We've got black painted Corvette calipers and nice Michelin tires on this one. Down below here on the passenger side, as you can see, it's got the skirts that run along, and they're painted in carbon flash as well as the vent here. And it's got 3M protection here on the lower rear, so that's great. And as well in here, there's 3M as well, so that's great. Here's the passenger door. So we've got the nice leather with baseball stitching. You've got the power windows, power locks, electronic door release, and the Bose stereo. So we'll just have a look at the kick plate. So it's in really good shape, as you can see. And here's your power seat. So power fore, aft, up, down, power recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And have a look there in the center. So you've got the Corvette logo with the stripes that go up and over. So as I hop in, just have a look at the door frame, nice and clean. Let's have a look in the glove box. So we've got the books, that's great. We've got the baseball stitching on the lower half as well as the upper. We've got the temperature display for the passenger setting, and it's still got the protective cover on it. And then we've got the temperature control here for the passenger as well. So we'll just hop out, close this side up, and I'll just start at the back of the vehicle and we'll scan down this side of the car for you. It also has the carbon flash metallic painted mirror, and we've got the carbon flash metallic insert there with the GrandSport logo, and it's got the nice front fender flare there, and again, nice high gloss black painted wheels, black painted Corvette calipers, and nice Michelin tires. So under the hood, so we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower, and that's paired to a 7-speed manual transmission. As you can see, it's nice and tidy. And down in the corner here, we've got our dry sump oil system, and you also get the rear diff cooler and transmission cooler with the GrandSport, and that's great. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this up, and we'll have a look from the front. So here it is from the front. So nice projector style HID headlights, LED daytime running lights, and LED turn signals. It's got the nice chin spoiler on the bottom there. It's in good shape, as you can see. We've got the carbon flash metallic insert there, and again, the nice over-the-top stripes. So that's great. In terms of condition, I'm just gonna have a close look here, see if there's anything to point out. It looks really clean, and it looks like it's got 3M. Yep, it does. So there's 3M there on the bumper, on the fender as well, and the hood. So the whole front clip of the car is coated in 3M. So that's awesome. It's very well protected. It looks great. So here's your other front wheel. So again, nice high gloss black wheels, black calipers, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Great. So on to the driver's side. So again, we've got that Bose stereo, we've got the power locks, power windows, electronic door release, nice baseball stitching on the leather. And here's our Corvette kick plate. And again, there's 3M around the surround of the kick plate. A little bit of minor scuffing on the kick plate, but that is expected. And we will go ahead and polish the kick plate for you. We'll make it look the best we can. So again, power seat, power fore, aft, up, down, power recline. And I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And let's hop in. As I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. Let's get in and fire this one up. There it is, nice bark to it. All right, there we are. So no warning lights, no issues there on the dash. We've got 14,588 kilometers. On this side here, we've got our cruise control controls. Favorites are track change for the radio, volume controls for the radio. Here we've got our arrow keys. When we move those, we get info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and options. Above that, we've got telephone and Bluetooth controls, voice command controls as well. We've got rev match, so this one is on, and then on this side here is off. What rev match does is it will rev the engine automatically when you're downshifting to match the speed of the transmission. On this side here, we've got power mirrors, we've got our power convertible top, and we've got power tilt and telescopic steering column. On this side here, we've got our push button start. We've got behind screen storage with USB. Just put that back up. We'll hit home. We've got audio. So audio is going to be AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB, auxiliary line in. Telephone is phone is telephone control. Projection is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Nav. So this one has full factory navigation. We also have PDR, so it's got full performance data recorder. And if I put it in reverse here, there's your backup camera. And then down below, we've got dual zone automatic climate control. So this is the driver's temp. As you can see, there's two temps there on the screen. You've got your GrandSport placard there, and then your 7-speed manual shifter with nice baseball stitching. We've got our electronic parking brake and our mode selector. When we twist the mode selector, right now it's in touring, we get sport, track, weather, eco, or back to touring. And inside here, we've got two USB ports, a line in and a 12-volt socket there in the front, our cup holders, and 12-volt socket here. There's your rear view mirror with OnStar, and we'll just go ahead and put the convertible top up so you can see the operation. So you can actually put the top up and down while moving at low speeds. I believe it's up to 30 kilometers per hour. There we are. And it beeps to let you know the operation is complete. So we'll go ahead, put the windows up, and it'll just hop out with it running so you can have a look and listen. Good sound to it. Nice rumble. Love the track mode on the NPP. Has a great rumble to it. Here it is from the front. The headlights on, looks sharp. Just scan down this side of the car for you. And I'll just stop here and show you the condition of the roof. Looks good. No rips, no tears, no issues, looks good. And here we are from the back. LED taillights, nice NPP exhaust, good rumble. There you have it, folks. 2019 Chevrolet Corvette GrandSport Convertible. Here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.